There, friends and family of Real Connections. Our names are, I'm Rick Elgersma, the Hat Guy. I'm one of the owners and therapists at Real Connections Counseling. And this is my bride, Monique Elgersma. She is also going to be one of the leaders and facilitators of our retreat that we are putting on called Intimacy Reimagined.
Right, and we want this retreat to be different than any of the retreats we've attended as couples,
Yep.
because we want to help you to experience something different. Now, this isn't a retreat if you're struggling. This is a retreat for people that have good relationships that want to take it to the next level. And because of that, we're going to have some fun things in there that are different than any other retreats. We're going to encourage you and provide a way for you to have a picnic with your spouse. We're going to have a personal chef that is making
I'm so
meals. I
excited
know
about
it's going to
this
be
one.
awesome for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're going to have a great time. There's going to be some downtime. There'll be individual time with your spouse. There'll be time as a group where you can just hang in this most lovely location in Ames, Iowa. We don't want you to miss it. We'll tell you more about the location in our next video tomorrow, so you don't want to miss out. But if this is something you're interested in, please click the link and sign up to have an interview with us, because we'd really love to have you at our retreat. We're limiting it to 5 couples, and we don't want you to miss out.